A severe thunderstorm and heavy downpour on Tuesday afternoon caused a total blackout in the Jampuijala SDM office area after extreme weather conditions wreaked havoc on the local power grid. The disruption was triggered when a massive tree, uprooted by high-velocity winds, crashed directly onto a high-tension electric pole. Electricity services have remained halted since the incident. Residents reported that the storm's intensity made it impossible for initial clearing efforts to begin immediately. Pure report, Chini Khorang.